Good morning, Brock Elementary parents and community. It is Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update. It is November 6th, Election Day. I hope everybody has had the opportunity to make it out to the polls or is planning on doing that today so that your voice can be heard. I know I was out this morning bright and early and at the voting center at 7 o'clock this morning, so I hope you guys can make your way out as well. Important dates tomorrow is picture retake, so if you had some pictures come back that you didn't really like and you want them retaken, you can do that tomorrow. Or maybe your child wasn't here, and so please, be ready and prepared for that if you're planning on taking advantage of picture retakes. Our Veterans Day breakfast reception, everybody should have received a note home last week talking a little bit about what we're going to be doing. So it'll be in our Brock Elementary cafeteria, and it will begin at 8:30 is when our reception will begin for our veterans. And so we are asking that any of the veterans that are attending, if they would not start to arrive until after 8:20 so that we can make sure that there's proper parking. We are going to have event parking for that. So just like we have for several other occasions that people can park in the blacktop parking lot, or they can park around the school. You can park in the one, and it'll be a one-way road at that time around the elementary school. So we will have parking out there for that. So again, if we ask all of our visitors to wait to arrive until about 8:20, as our kiddos are going to be in Fly Friday, we want to get them back into class, and then we will begin our breakfast around 8:30. And so we have just a nice little breakfast plan for that. If you are planning to attend, we are asking that you fill out this RSVP so that we can make sure that we can accommodate everybody that's there. So basically, we need the veteran's name that is attending, and then the Brock Elementary students that we will need to get out of class to attend the breakfast as well. All of our students have prepared little different things for our veterans just to recognize and let them know how much we appreciate their service. We are also going to have a wall of honor that went home in that note last week as well. So you can send photos of your veteran. We're asking that they're copies. And there's some more information right here about the photo requirements, but the photos won't be returned, so we want to make sure that they are copies, or you can bring them to the office and we'd be glad to make a copy for you. Another thing we have coming up is Bring Your Parent to School Day, November 16th. That's going to begin at 7:50 to 10 o'clock. There's going to be a lot more information about that next week with all the information about parking, information about how that day is going to go schedule-wise. But basically, one of the things, just up front for everybody to know is that we are going to be asking parents to be here by 7:50 when the school day begins if they're planning on attending. We will not have Fly Friday that morning. So parents will go to the gym and students will actually go to class, and then we will have a short parent meeting to kind of explain the day, give you guys schedules, expectations, and all that, and then we will send everybody to class. We're asking that every child only have one parent attend, and unfortunately we cannot accommodate siblings, but we do look forward to this day every year as it is a perfect opportunity for us to really allow parents to become students and see what your kids experience every single day. You'll get to experience the STEAM rotation, you'll get to experience music, and then you'll also get to see either reading and writing workshop or reading and math workshop inside of your children's classroom. We're really excited for a great day for that. On another note, pre-Ks Bring Your Parent to School celebration will be November 30th. So on the 16th is going to be kindergarten through second grade. Pre-K's day will be on the 30th for a writing celebration, and Miss Golightly will be sending information about that very soon. I hope this information is good for you guys, helps to keep you informed. If you need anything, please feel free to call the office and we'd be happy to answer any questions for you. It is a beautiful day outside. I hope that you're able to enjoy it. Have a great one. Go Eagles.